I'm sure you've seen dash cam videos, or have a friend that has one and just raves about it. But are they worth the hype? I'm here to show you the dual camera drive recorder from Nissan, why it's a really helpful tool for any driver, and how easy it is to use. The dual camera drive recorder is made specifically for Nissan vehicles, so you get a nice clean look without any wires hanging around. This thing has 2 cameras. It records 140 degrees in front of you as you drive, and when the car is off, it can still record incidents in and around the car. The second camera records inside, a bonus compared to recorders with just 1 camera. Impact automatically triggers a recording, much more reliable than hoping someone leaves a note when they bump your car. Or if you see something worth saving, just hit the record button yourself to save and lock that video file for later. When you're ready to check out what's been recorded, you've got a few options. You connect your compatible smartphone directly to the device's wireless signal and then watch the video directly in the app. You can also grab footage right from the SD card or from the cloud with a cloud storage subscription. Those are the ins and outs of your dual camera drive recorder. Go ahead and grab one for your Nissan, and make sure to keep watching these accessory how-tos to make the most out of your Nissan accessories. Get that clean look and custom fit from Nissan for your Nissan.